Igama uLwandile Viwe Mbebe, nguMasango, uMdzita, noMnungwane uThengwa. Ngisuka eKibla Park, in a sense, eJoburg, kodwa ekhaya Mount Frere in the Eastern Cape. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngesimo sami esokudutshulwa endlini yami. Unkosikazi yami idutshulwa nayo and losing my eye. On top of that, ulahlekelwa inkosikazi yami. And ama-effects after that ukuthi ndiphila kanjani ke. April 27, 2019. I wake up in the morning knowing ukuthi umama uzolanda umntanami. At that time I had a business. Ngiqale ibhizinisi yami ngo-2017. So ngo-2019 singiyazisebenzela, ngiqashe abantu abayi-4. Ngabatshela ukuthi mamela sizofika ngo-9. Ngoba on an average menginokufika ngabo 6:30, 7:30 e-ofisini yami. I-office yami ise-Hyde Park. But on that day ngathi no, ngizofika ngabo 9 ngoba umama uzolanda umntanami. Umntanami uzohlala i-weekend yonke nogogo. And the reason was ukuthi mina nomfazi wami, we had this thing of yabona ngama-month end mayingena isalary yakhe. Ngoba mina I was owning my own business. So I would say sometimes bengaholi. Sometimes bengholisa abanye, ngaholi mina. But nge-25 buyilanga lakhe ukuthi ahole. Yabo. So that day, that weekend event was 27 on the Friday. So the idea was ukuthi umntwana ahambe aye kugogo somlanda Sunday ebusuku. Friday i-date night. Kodwa nakhona isikhathi ukuthi senza i-budget. Yabo. Sikhulume i-budget, sikhulume ezinye izinto like senza so. Even to the point, I'm sorry to add this so early, schedule ama-6 nights. Sithi okay, Tuesday on the 11th of 6. Yeah, sitting there, senza izinto ezintsha. We were literally doing that. Umama wamthatha umntwana ngaye ofisini. Ngabo 2 ngamfonela umfazi wami ngathi sengikhathele ukusebenza, ngifuna wena asihambe siyothenga ama-grocery la amancane nje, like just for i-weekend ngoba the next day si-invite impintshi zethu. So my boy uMoreti unkosikazi yakhe were gonna come and join us for the spa. So we're gonna go to a spa together. And at the spa, after the spa, we're gonna get like, massage. What's this, botanical fruits and botanical what? Isn't it like after that, mengafuni ukuthi siye kwi-restaurant because the month before saye kwi-restaurant and it just didn't feel like siye sa-relax kahle. So iplan yethu was ukuthi on Friday night we're gonna fix the third bedroom because we had 3 bedroom. We're a 3-bedroom house. We're gonna fix the 3rd bedroom. Ube ispace kaMoriti no Mamut. Abangani bethu. And besubabekela yonke into from electric blankets even. Safaka electric blanket, ntwana. You understand? Electric blanket, spread, everything. Ngithi hayi uMoriti noMamut bazolala la. Ngiyamfonela unkosikazi ngithi hayi singayi ekhaya street. Asidlule siye kuma-shop. Sothenga amagrosa, sothenga izinto zakhona. Like we'll go to the grocery shop, then we'll go liquor shop. After that, angifuni ukupheka. Iphethe yakho wena mfazi. Iphethe yakho. Ngicela usithengele ukudla. Wasithengele ukudla. Safika endlini. And we had a patio in a estate. Besihlala kwi-estate. Kwi-estate yethu, we had a patio. Sihleli etafuleni. Sidla ama-takeaways. Inkosikazi yami ngiyenzele i-cocktail. So at that time, ngambuza ukuthi usafuna i-cocktail okanye ufuna i-wine? Athi hayi ngifuna i-wine. Ngithi okay, before ngiya khona, athi ngiconfirme namajita ukuthi nomjita wami uMoriti ukuthi we're still on for kusasa. Same time mangifonela uMoriti, unkosikazi ifonela impintshi yakhe ushade ne-best friend yami at that time. Sihleli ngaphandle maybe about 10 minutes after the nama-phone calls la. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi girl, she wants a drink. Umuntu wami wants a drink. Ngithi okay, izingene ngaphakathi. So ithi ingene ngaphakathi ngiyomthelela i-wine.
The time was around what time?
8:30. Okay. 8:30, 9:00 at night. So yeah, 8:30, 9:30. Somewhere there. Mangingena ngaphakathi ngivula i-wine, ngiyayithela. Next thing ngizwa umfazi wami uyaskrima ngaphandle. Mangijika, I get a fist in my face. Mangishaya straight. And as someone who's been in combat sports, I understand I can take a punch, sharp. Ngiyajika, ngibheka umjita ngithi mfethu, what's happening? And next thing, back of my head. And then I'm out. Mangivuka kule bedroom where Umoriti and Mamutla was supposed to sleep there.
So pass it out.
I passed out. Isikasi khona nala. From that, igazi beliphuma la. Like you could feel ukuthi it was hot actually on my skin. Ukuthi igazi lila. But mangibheka into engicasule. It's funny when you think about things. Yeah, but like in retrospect. Into eyangicasula ukuthi i-mattress ibicela igazi lami. Mattress yakaMoriti no nomfazi wakhe licede igazi lami. So as in, like I'm already annoyed.
Yeah.
Ngiyambona manje ngiyajika ngibona umjida uphethe isibhamu against my wife's head like this.
So your wife's now in the...
No, she's on her knees. She's on her knees ekamereni.
In
The third bedroom.
A.
Moriti's bedroom for the day. My friend's bedroom, the guest bedroom.
Bangakhi abantu?
Bayi-3. Amajita ayi-3. Kodwa oyi-1 phethe isibhamu. And ukhombe umfazi wami la ekhandeni. Sengiyaphaphama mina. So I crawl, literally crawl. Ngiye phambi kwakhe ngithi mfethu, thathani into eniyifunayo nihambe. If you want anything, before I could finish the sentence, if you want anything, take it. That's what I was going to say. If you want anything, bah. So in my head, mangiphaphama after that, ngicabanga ukuthi bangishayile futhi yawo. Like ekhandeni. Like I got knocked out again. Knockout, yeah, I understand. I've played rugby, I've done judo, I've done boxing. I understand the knockout. So I thought I've been knocked out. Can't I see knockout? But I didn't know at that time. Mangiphaphama ngibheka ngapha emuva. Umfazi wami uyasokola uphefumula. She's got blood coming out like this, like it's squirting out the chest jacket. So it's pop. Squirting. Some big isandla on her chest. And I was looking at her in her face. There's blood coming out of her mouth, blood coming out of her nose. And I was looking at her, and the only thing I could think of, Guti, I don't know what to do. Bahambile. At this point, it's so in my head, ngicabanga ukuthi hayi angazi ukuthi ngenza mina ngenza ngibambe imbobo la. Igazi liyaphuma ngapha emva. Ngibambe isandla la phambili. Because angithi igazi lithi. Same time I'm like useless la. Useless. Ngizoyenzani la? So ngidinga usizo. So ngiyaphuma ngifuna i-security. We're living in an estate in the northern suburbs zaseJozi. So obvious kumele be
indawo secure.
Indawo secure. So ngicabanga ukuthi hayi at least i-security khona close by. So ngiphuma ngomnyango, I think I fainted the first time. Ngaphakathi endlini. Ngafeinta. Mangisukuma futhi sengisukuma mphaphama sengifika kuma steps wasejaridini. Ngizwa ineighbor yami uNkululeko athi, "Hey Lwandi, ngidutshuliwe." Neighbor. Angikhona ukuphuma endlini ngiyasaba. I can't help you. But ngibafonele amaphoyisa, ngiwafonele amaphoyisa. Bathi basendleleni. Cela uhlale phansi mfethu, don't move. Just sit there. Uthi uNkululeko. So the way the house was set up was ukuthi in the estate, sure, nama steps aya kwi-parking lot. I think I passed out about 5 times because, like, after Masim Bay, there's corner like ama-circles because step number 2, step number 8, step number 17, whatever. Ukuthi bengizama ukubuya kwi-parking lot, but I was passing out, not knowing ukuthi mina literally mengazi mina bengicabanga ukuthi banginokhe out yabo. So every time ngiphaphama ngicabanga ukuthi hayi man into i-concussion yabo. Concussion, concussion, like from rugby, which I can, after 10 minutes, concussion, ngizobuyela ngidlale igame.
So back to play.
Bengazi. At that point, I didn't know.
Hey, kuphi? Where exactly?
So bengazi ukuthi bangidubulile. Ngizofika lapho.
Okay.
So mina ngicabanga ukuthi hayi ama-concussion. Mase ngifika e-parking lot, ngizwa uDipuo. Dipuo was my other neighbor.
Okay.
She's like, Randy, you've been shot in the head.
Hey.
I'm like, that doesn't make sense. Ngicela ufonele security. Athi angibathinti, ngizama ukubathinta mara abaphenduli. Security yasegeyithini.
Yeah.
Security yasegeyithini, like literally like 300 meters away from where we got shot. Security ayiphenduli.
So wonke umuntu around ama-neighbor azwe i-sound.
Mazwe ama-gunshot.
Hey.
Bafonele security ayiphenduli. So ngaphanika-ke mina ngithi okay, I'm gonna run to security. Kanti me running, I'm falling all over the parking lot. Then sengibona ama-lights are blue, which means SAPS was there before the ADT. ADT is in my complex. ADT was the ones that had my cameras and
So
sensors and they had 2 security guards on duty. SAPS was the first people that came to help me. Bafonele.
And bokuphi at the time?
Yeah?
Bokuphi at the time?
Mina bengaphakathi e-parking lot. I've passed out maybe like 6, 7, 8 times. But the first people to actually help me were SAPS. Njani. But songena. Yafika i-ambulance. Mayifika i-ambulance ngiyabatshela ukuthi hey umfazi wami, she's been shot in the chest and there's a lot of blood coming out. And they were like, okay, wena but ngicela uhlale phansi somncedo umfazi wakho. Ngithi no, ngoba ingathi nikham kakhulu, nikham. So ngagijima-ke, angazi amandla ngiwathole kuphi. Ngagijima, mase ngifika kuma-steps, ngitripwa iphoyisa.
Uyakutripha?
Yeah, ngitripha like 2 feet. Fake inyawo so. Ngitripha. Ukuthi ngingayi downstairs. Ngitripha ungibamba phansi. Ifike i-paramedic ithi ngesilungu athi, sir, you've been shot in the head. And we need you to stay calm because we don't know how much damage has been done to you. But you have a head injury and a bullet in the head. We need you to calm down. we're looking after your wife. We're looking after your wife. I remember this. We're looking after your wife. And she will be airlifted to the hospital. Here's a helicopter. Here's a helicopter izomthatha umfazi wakho wena cela uhlale phansi kancane. Number 2, emergency contact. Sicela inamba. Ngabanika inamba kasisi wami. Bathi unayo i-medical aid. Ngathi yebo nginayo. Ne-Bonitas. Bathi unayo i-medical aid number. Uyayazi? Ngathi 136. Bathi umfazi wakho i-ID number yakhe ngabashaya. ID yami. Like, I'm having conversations in the paramedic. That time bahleli phezu kwami. Bang-subdued. Then lo mjida lo yasukuma. Makasukuma gijima yobona uNombuso. Hayi mangishaya ngejab mfana. No, i-paramedic.
Okay.
Wangishaya nge-injection mfana. Ngisathi uma steps. Hayi bangishaya nge-injection that pha. Hayi umzimba wathi. I flop now. Now I'm looking at everybody. I can't move, but I'm looking at everybody. Like, no, we're gonna put you in the ambulance because you've got a head injury. You've been shot in the head, and we don't know what's going on with you, and we just want to make you safe. Whole ambulance ride, ngiyayikhumbula. In our conversation, khuluma ne-paramedic. Hey, no, I like this kind of music and what. She's trying to keep me awake. Oh, you like Disturbed. Oh, you like Slipknot. Oh, you like have you heard this song? Got Tupac. Oh, of course. I'm not like just trying to keep me awake. So siyakhuluma ngithi uphi umfazi wami to the paramedic. She's like, uya eMill Park. Kodwa wena angeke sukise eMill Park ngoba sibafonele eMill Park. Babuza if singakuletha. And a suggestion yakhona was that you must go to Joburg Gen. Because at Joburg Gen they are more equipped nge-trauma efana neyakho. eMill Park asazi ukuthi soyenzani. Ungafa khona. But at Joburg Gen ngoba bajwayela abantu bajujuliwe Hillbrow, all those places. They have more trauma cases. So we're gonna take you to a Joburg Gen. And I remember ngithi kuye, I've got Bonitas. I've got Bonitas medical aid. Like,
so it's a public hospital.
Yeah, Charlotte Matlake.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why am I going to Joburg Gen? Bonitas. Why nami ngingayi eMill Park? Umfazi wami eMill Park, mina ngingeMill Park. I'm like, no. These people can deal with trauma yakho. Sure. I get to esibhedlela. I think I pass out. Like there's pieces that I remember of the night. Some of the pieces were mamapota. Ezinye ukuthi ngihleli ikwi-stretcher. Bukhona umjida ingathi bamdubule umlenze mfethu. Because his leg, no, he was shot. I think he was shot in the leg. But his leg was like this. Ebekhala. But I was sitting like waiting for him. I don't know, I can't remember. Then next thing engikhumbulayo ukuthi bafaka ipipe into my throat.
Hey.
And it felt like ingathi like ilahle. Mingathi ilahle nje like ingena la. Ngiqale aphakathi.
Uma brother lo uyakubona yena. Lo dujuliwe enyaweni. Yena ukubonile.
Ha angazi mfethu.
Okay.
Angazi. No, into engiyikhumbula.
Hey, I'm curious.
I don't know.
Ukuthi yakhala lapha mina mayithi uyabheka ngapha no my brother bamdubulile ngisini and yena ukhalela inyawo yeah but
no I'm just saying ukuthi that's what it's ezincane ezikhumbula so ngikhumbula ilahle kanti pipe mara it felt like ngathi ilahle ingena ngaphakathi so the pipe then next thing so mangisembhedini lapho ICU or whatever. I remember someone punching at my chest. Ngathi uzama ukungivusa. Ngalala. Mangivuka ngivuswa ubhuti kaKhosi Mpintshana. Udoctor yena. Somehow wafumana access ukuthi azongibona. So udoc simbiza udoc. How udoc uthi Londi, you need to fight. You need to fight. We need you to stand up this week. That's what Doc said to me. I'll try what I can do. I'll try something. I'll try something. But when ngicela next week. Then khumbula umama engithandazela singivuka ngibona just umama engithandazela. Then it was basically 3 days later after that. 2 days later sengiyavuka. Hey, family igcwele ebhedini like around my bed. Hey, unjani? Hey, uvuyile? Ngenzani la? Ngikuphi? Angi-understand ukuthi yenzakalani. The only thing that I remember was someone pressing on my chest. Lantuka ilahle emqaleni. No doc ikhuluma nami. Mangivuka hayi sokugcwele ifamily yonke. Umalume, utata omdala, umama, usisi, ubhuti wabo omncinci like bagcwele nje ebhedini yenzakalani. Bathi ududuliwe. Lo nombuso ududuliwe. So at that time they said to me ukuthi uNombuso usase ICU. She's fighting for her life. You need to keep fighting for your life. But now, you know, you've been shot. It's a short way. It doesn't register ukuthi anginalo elinye ilihlo. Angizwa ne-bandage. So I couldn't bandage benjani. It was like I couldn't feel it. So wajonga labantu laba ngithi ngithule kuphi ngoba right la. Hayi sha bahambe ke entambama kufike udoctor nama-students awu 7, 8. Udoctor athi, hey, so you've been shot in the head. I remember
Hey.
there's a Jewish guy, Dr. Malberg. Dr. Malberg. Le kapi yabo. Yeah. Unxibe yona. Athi, so you've been shot in the head. Imbulo ingaphakathi. Ekhandeni lakho asazi ukuthi likuphi. We can't find out ukuthi ikuphi ngoba like medicines are scan, but I'm gonna take you to surgery again just to find out ukuthi ikuphi. Same time ingathi kune damage la emakhaleni, kune damage ngapha naselihlweni lakho. And then into engifuna ukutshela yona udoctor lo athi you have lost your eye. You'll never have a left eye again. But sobona ukuthi senza kanjani. Awungangihleli Satan.
There's a TLC punchline there somewhere. It's lurking somewhere.
Can laugh about it now, but
Yeah, no, we can laugh about it now. But Dr. Ati, I know it is really humble. Like, there's no way to recover your eye. Kodwa sobona ukuthi senza njani ukuthi ube normal or feel normal. Mara awunalo ilihlo on the left hand side. In the meantime, into soyenza ukuthi sizozama figure out like where this bullet is. Ngoba maybe esebuchopweni or like somewhere. But there's no exit.
Yeah, the head is sensitive.
Sure, the head is sensitive, like imbumbulu ingenile. Azange iphume. Asazi ukuthi ibullet share kuphi. Ikuphi? They don't know. So uyangitshela straight ukuthi we're doing an investigative surgery. Same day, usisi wami uyafika uzongichecka, uzongibhesuka athi hayi umfazi wakho unombuso, she's busy fighting lapha for impilo yakhe eMill Park. But i-problem yakhe ulindelwa ukuthi she's the first person I knew. My sister is the first person I knew. She was my first friend empilweni yami. Before, yes, I knew my mother and what, but like usisi wami was my first friend. So when she's lying to me, I can tell what she's lying to me. How ngiqombela amanga lo muntu lo. Unombuso use Mill Park. She's trying to fight. She's fighting. Now you must fight. It's a high man. Ngiyambona lo muntu lo uqombela amanga. And deep down in my spirit, mengazi ukuthi akasekho. Umfazi wami. This is day 4 after ngidutshwe. And that whole week, even the surgery wasn't that important because we're trying to get somewhere. The surgery wasn't heavy. Mengilele, you know. Besides the point ukuthi bengizama ukushela, apparently, allegedly, bengizama ukushela udoctor was a beautiful black woman. Apparently bengimshela. Apparently, allegedly, Michelle on the drugs. But in any case, I have the surgery. The next 2 days later, say before discharge. Before discharge again, before I go home, lapha empedini, ngena eroomini. In this room, ugcwele ifamily yami. Were you there? No, you weren't there. So ugcwele ifamily yami, our cousins, abo balume, abo auntie. But the hardest part in that room, there's 2 things. Number one, Pastor Nzo. Pastor Nzo, Pastor wethu. Pastor Nzo wase eKatlehong. Pastor Nzo, imessage yakhe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthatha abantu bakhe ngesikhathi sakhe. He has a plan for your life. Like, yangikwatisa ukuthi the best human being I knew in my life uthathwe uNkulunkulu. The best human being in my life, the best person I've ever known, was taken by God. Msumika God ke. Msumika God. Ngoba umthathelani. Wangathathanga mina. She was a better parent than me. My wife, Numbus, was a better parent than me. Msumika God ke. If uzongitshela lo, wena pastor, uthi une direct line apostle what. Une direct line uNkulunkulu. Wena ungitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi buyisikhathi sakhe. Umntanami deserves her mother. She deserves her mother. So you can't tell me ukuthi it was her purpose, God ordained purpose ukuthi afe ngaleso sikhathi. It's not. It's not. Number 2, in that room, bokhona uMase. Umase Mamazala, my wife's mother. You're guilty mfethu. The guilt of understanding ukuthi mama ngize ngazocela indodakazi yakho. Ngathi ngiyamcela. Ngomnakekela. Yenza umndeni naye. And yes, it's married. It's nobody married, whatever. But my promise to her was that her daughter will have a beautiful life. Washona ena 33. Ngikhona mina. In the same house. We both got shot. But nah, ngasurvive. So uzothini kumama? Umntanakhe. Uzothini kumama? Yeah, it broke me. That ngaxolisa, but like even now I can't apologize enough. Uma ukuthi bengimele into indodakazi yakho. even now I feel the guilty, because I was supposed to protect her from Lunkinto. And that was one of the hardest days of my life. Ngapha ngitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubulale umfazi wami. That's how I took it. That's how I took it. ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubulale umfazi wami ngoba wesikhathi sakhe. Ngapha ngibheke umama, uthi umama ngiyaxolisa. And the image that I have now, every night that I have a bad dream, ngivuka ngijulukile, ngicabanga umfazi wami with blood behind her head, nembobo la esifubeni, sithi pha 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 igazi. Angidlali namanje, angidlali. That's like if I have 3 hours or 5 hours of sleep, it's amazing. Bangahlala ngiphupha that moment namanje. But the thing that we need to understand, ukuthi we got to that position not because my wife was a beautiful person. My wife was awesome. Like, the amount of people uNombuso uplifted, either with words or with her actions or with imali or with just her knowledge and her love and her spirit. uNombuso touched so many people's lives. So why did she die? Did she die because uNkulunkulu uthe isikhathi sakhe? Or did she die because someone made that decision? Ngesikhathi esinye. Do you understand what I'm saying? Umuntu oyenza into it's a decision. A person made a decision. Yeah? And you can tell me about things about Isbaf. Isbaf will be corner in the safe. You know what I mean? My kitchen and it's in the safe. So yes, I could have shot them back. But Sipisbam some it's safe in the camera because I've got a wife and I've got a child. I can't just be walking around in Isbam. Do you understand? At the same time, I could have fought. Yeah? I could have fought. Then I would be dead if I fought. Ushiya umntanami nomfazi wami. I was the breadwinner. So ngizobashiya sibe with poverty. Ithethe udidi yendlu. Now I die. Manjama. For someone who was that impactful in life, she didn't deserve a life like that. So yes, I could have fought. But because I come from a history of combat sport, like judo, boxing from an early age, you do understand when there's a gun against your head, You can't fight. You can't fight. If it's hand to hand, sharp. But if there's a gun against your head, accept the fact, which the only thing that can help you in that moment is your words. Only your words. Ngoba that's why I'm here. I'm faced with a situation. So instead of dealing with the situation because of my traumas, I'd rather shut myself into a room, drink myself into a stupor and not deal with thinking. I do not want to think. Because the stress of thinking can paralyze you. Do you understand? So it's rather out in thing Jack Daniels. Ngiyiphuze within, like the whole thing, ngiyiphuze within a day. Ngisekamereng lami. I don't want to hear anything from anyone. I do not socialize with anybody. Like, I'm just off the grid. The other part of that mental health issue is when you start planning your death because you don't want to be alive anymore and going through the pain. So then you start calling people that you haven't spoken to since 2015. Hey, Skhumbuzo. Hey, unjani mfethu? Hi, no. Ngibona ukuthi unjani. Like it's manic. Yeah, it's like manic behavior. And people don't see that as like mental health issues. They just see it as like, guy is just, uyagoa, shame. Uyagoa.